What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Good morning and welcome to a new video here on ZK or Zksync. Wanted to make a video on that. I've been posting about this on X or Twitter for the last couple of days because we have to get some sort of a bullish reaction soon. But it looked quite bullish yesterday. It looked quite, or at least it seems like we have found some sort of a bottom since last week, even though last week was still a relatively bearish day in the markets. ZK actually bottomed out and actually started to gain momentum since Thursday last week. And there's some other reasons why I think this has potential and why I wanted to cover it. So that's what we'll do in this video. So let's get right into it. Now, before we get into the technicals, I want to get into the fundamentals, all right? Because usually, or at least every bull run that's actually sustainable also has some sort of fundamental reasoning behind its bullish momentum. Now, with ZK, you could say it's just a market, all right? Bitcoin has found support, so every crypto is a little bit more bullish, which is true to a certain extent, but I do think that if you look at the price action between Bitcoin and ZK, I would say it's actually like the correlation is quite limited, all right? Sure, they've been bullish on the same days, but the moves are not really parallel to each other. There's usually some sort of a time delay between the moves, which means the correlation is not complete. But what I like a lot is that ZK kind of launched at the same point of time as Zero. Quite a similar launch, right? Both have airdrops, both on Binance, etc. And Zero, if you look at these formations, I would say they're pretty similar, right? They bottomed out, got a big bullish breakout above some significant resistance levels, and started rallying. So that's just that playbook, and people making money with Zero, looking at other opportunities, seeing that ZK makes kind of the same market structure or the same formation. That's interesting. And then apart from that, I don't think you should underestimate the backing that Zksync has. All right, so they've received a ton of funding by Dragonfly, Blockchain Capital, Andreessen Horowitz. These investors will do their best to make money, right? So they invested a lot of money into this. What usually happens, or at least it's not necessarily that that's going to happen right now. Eventually it will happen. Eventually ZK will rally. But what they try to do is they try to keep up the price at a certain level in order for them to actually be able to sell at a profit later on. So like I said, it would be a little bit early for them to do that right now, because I don't think they'll get their tokens for a couple more months at least, probably even years. But at some point of time, they'll employ market makers and they will make sure that the price does well, right? So that's just a part of the fundamental reasoning as to why this could rally. Now the main question is will this rally? And for that, we need a significant bullish breakout. All right, if you look at ZK right now, of course the markets are doing quite good. And then apart from that, ZK is also gaining momentum, which by the way is pretty standard for a new coin. But some nice positions are being opened on there. Bit of a weird formation, but still it's going up, which is most important. But now the main resistance level we have, which was also quite a strong support level back in the days when we were above that level, is 19 cents. All right, practically this level right here between 18.5 and 19 cents. That's the main level to break. If we can get some sort of a breakout above that, then I think we'll rally. Where the first price target is 20.5 cents, but honestly, the main price target should probably be 23 cents. So do I think this is most likely? Yes, but that's mainly based on the fact that the momentum we're gaining is quite strong here. And following this formation, I would expect another jump in momentum. And then apart from that, I also think it's most likely that Bitcoin will stay bullish here, which also has its effects on altcoins like ZK. So that's why I think it's most likely. If we're not able to get that breakout in the next 3 days or so, then I was wrong, and then we'll just consolidate and drop down. But we'll see. I'll keep you updated on that. For now, this is what I think you need to know. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.